Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna try thrift flips and oversized shirts to a soft corset. Soft corsets have been reappropriated into fashions for a 21st century. No longer a restricting undergarment. New iterations of the soft corset are meant to be seen, whether worn only or layering over clothes to exaggerate the butts. Designers, models, and celebrities has embraced the modern corset, presenting plenty of style inspirations for the rest of us. I loved it when I saw it come down the runway back in February, and I love it even more now. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. And here is the final result. I'm so happy with this top and really proud that I actually managed to sew something this complicated and structured. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!